In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hard reset a NUU A11L smartphone. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to fully power the phone off. To fully power the phone off, press and hold down the power button. Power off. Another way to power the phone off is to remove the battery. This phone does have a removable battery. Pull off the cover. And then you can just remove the battery. Put it back in again. Replace the cover. Okay, with the phone fully powered off, you need to press and hold down the power button and the volume up button at the same time until you see a screen that's going to say recovery on it. Okay, now let go of the buttons. Now with recovery selected, press the volume down button. Okay, with the no command screen appearing, you need to press and hold down the power button and at the same time press the volume up button. Okay, using the volume down button, go to wipe data factory reset. Press the power button. Using the volume down button, go to factory data reset. Press the power button. Press the power button. And there you go, the hard reset is now complete. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.